2016 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, backup camera, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, MP3 player, child safety locks, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.